Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best computer chairs in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Amazon Basics Leather Computer Chair. This computer chair from Amazon Basics comes on top of our list with its functionality, comfort, and design that looks very professional. It's overall one of the best office chairs for long hours in terms of value and reliability. The chair has a high raised backrest with a curved contour to support your lower back and reduce muscle tension. The armrests are padded as well, offering better comfort. The seat features a wide butterfly plate with slightly firm yet very comfortable padding so that you don't sink and work with utmost comfort. Number 2. Our second best pick is Nouhaus Ergonomic Computer Chair. If you want something more budget-friendly than Amazon Basic Computer Chair, here's your best deal. The Nouhaus chair also features pretty much the same high raised back design. We love it because of its ergonomic features, comfort, and affordability. The chair comes with adjustable height and a thick contoured backrest with a highly padded seat made of dual foam layering. The seat feels soft and bouncy because of the pocket springs and is roomy enough to allow maximum movement. The S-shaped contoured backrest provides adequate lumbar support during long hours of gaming or working. Number 3. Our third best pick is Gabrylly Ergonomic Mesh Computer Chair. Up next we have a mesh chair for people who are looking for an ergonomically built mesh computer chair for long hours. This chair from the brand Gabrylly has an excellent rating on Amazon. We placed it third on the list for its superior support, design, and build quality. The chair is ergonomically designed to provide maximum support to the lumbar area, hips, and head. It comes with an adjustable height from 45 to 54.9 inches to fit different body types. You can tilt the headrest as well as adjust the angles. The chair itself can recline back from 90 to 120 degrees. All of this will allow you to work in your most comfortable position. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Nouhaus Ergo3D Ergonomic Computer Chair. The Nouhaus Ergo3D is the most ergonomically advanced chair on our list. It's more expensive than our last inclusion. If support and comfort are your topmost priority and you don't have any budget constraints, the Ergo3D is a great option. Ergo3D comes with a 3D dynamic lumbar support. It hugs your back, aligning your curves depending on the pressure you put as you sit on it. It has an adjustable 4D armrest that moves up and down, in and out, forwards and backward to keep your forearms and shoulders comfortably placed in position. The headrest can also adjust its height. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Duramont Ergonomic Computer Chair for long hours. At a slightly higher price you can have this ergonomic, comfortable, solid build quality computer chair that will continue providing support for as long as you work. This chair comes with the most ergonomically advanced features like adjustable lumbar support, adjustable headrest, and armrest. Starting with the ergonomics first, the office chair comes with a padded seat with the right amount of softness. It's made of molded foam, a lot more durable than PU foam. The backrest comes with adjustable lumbar support that can go in and out, up and down. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.